Okay, if you have a pair of AirPods, and it doesn't matter if it's a Pro or Max or what generation, I'm going to help you troubleshoot it crackling or making a crackling noise or staticky noise, or it goes in and out. So there's definitely several troubleshooting things that you can do in order to fix it. First thing you want to do is clean them. So look and make sure that there is no debris. So you might want to remove the little earbuds off. And what you can do is take a little bit of rubbing alcohol with a cotton swab or a Q-tip or microfiber cloth and get a little bit of rubbing alcohol, 70% or 90% is fine, and just get like a little bit of a tad of rubbing alcohol. And what you're going to do is you want to clean around here, but you're also going to remove these earbuds, and then you want to clean around it as well. And you want to do both of them and let them dry and see if that will fix the issue. You're going to find that a lot of times that will fix the issue with the crackling sounding noise and everything. Another thing you could do is restart your iPhone or whatever phone that you have it on. Restart it and go ahead and put them back in the case and let them charge for a little bit longer. After you restart, then take them out and see if they will work. You'll find that a lot of times that they will work. Another thing you could do is to toggle the Bluetooth on your iPhone or your Android phone, whatever you have it on. Toggle it on and off 4 or 5 times. Take it off, turn it back on. And actually do the same thing with your volume. A lot of times you'll find that that will work. All right. Next thing I want you to do is check the AirPods volume settings. So go to settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, adjust the volume, check settings, accessibility, and audio and visual, and make sure that the balance slider that you slide on and off to the left and to the right, make sure that balance slider is centered and not like all far to the left on one and then only like 10% on the other. Because what will happen is a lot of times the balance will be off and it'll be distorted. The sound will be distorted rather, because one of them is too much on while the other one's off. Next thing I want you to do, and this is very important, turn off automatic ear detection test. So in order to do that, open settings, tap Bluetooth, tap the I next to AirPods, turn automatic ear detection off, and then test the AirPods. You'll find that a lot of times turning the automatic ear detection will work. Next, what I want you to do, if that doesn't work, disable the audio features to test. So try turning off the noise cancellation so you're using the transparency mode and the adaptive audio. If the crackling stops, the issue may be involved with the microphone use of these features. So you might have to actually do transparency mode instead of noise cancellation. Next thing you can do is check to see if there's any interference, like if it's next to a Wi-Fi router or something like that, or another Bluetooth speaker or something else, and take it like out of the room and put it into another room, use them on another room, and see if there's like an interference coming from something. Another thing you can do is update your iPhone. So go to settings, tap general, tap software update, and then install available updates. All right. And then last but not least is you can do a full reset of your AirPods. Go ahead and put them in and keep the lid open. And what we're going to do is you want to do a full factory reset by simply holding down the button here on the back, and you hold it down for 15 seconds until this light turns orange, and then you'll know it's reset. And then go ahead and pair it back with your iPhone and see if that will fix the crackling noise. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.